Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sliding shower chair is probably one of the most important assistive devices for seniors and people with mobility problems, offering a safe and convenient way to shower independently, reducing the risk of falls and injuries while maintaining dignity and comfort. Today, we will review the best sliding shower chairs on the market, comparing features, safety, and ease of use to help you choose the perfect one for your needs or for your loved ones. Number 5. Dr. K's Adjustable Shower Chair. It's designed to provide reliable support for up to 500 pounds. It's perfect for seniors and individuals who need a safe and stable shower seat. This shower chair features an anti-slip platform and rubber feet for secure use, even in wet environments. Enjoy added stability and peace of mind. It's lightweight yet strong, making it ideal for smaller showers and bathrooms. It provides a comfortable and secure place to sit without taking up too much space. The height adjusts from 12.5 to 20.5 inches, allowing you to find the perfect sitting position for comfort and safety. Customize it to your needs. No tools are needed for assembly, it's easy to set up and transport. This makes it an ideal solution for various bathrooms and easy to store. What we like? It's made of stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Its weight capacity is 500 pounds, making it suitable for heavier individuals. If you need a sturdy and adjustable shower chair for added safety and support, this is the one for you. What people say. It uses hand screws that are large and easy to handle, no tools necessary. The instructions are very well written, clear, detailed enough but not overwhelming, covering potential missteps. This bath bench is solidly built. It has a max weight limit of 350. Notably, the cross piece is actually welded, not just screwed together. This gives the bench significant rigidity. Easy to put legs on. Very sturdy. Fits both lengthwise and widthwise in the tub. Adjustable height for each person's height. Number 4. DMI Tub Transfer Bench. This innovative bench makes getting in and out of the shower or tub easier and safer. It's designed to minimize strain for both the user and caregiver. It's incredibly easy to set up, no tools are required. Simply follow the detailed instructions for a quick and straightforward installation. With its rust-resistant aluminum frame, non-slip feet, and safety belt, it provides a secure and stable showering experience. The cutout design also allows for easy perineal access. Simply position it across the tub, and with a little help, gently slide onto it for a smooth transfer. It's that simple. It's made to last, supporting up to 400 pounds. Plus, the adjustable seat height ensures a comfortable and personalized fit. Whether you're elderly, disabled, or recovering from surgery, it offers a safe and convenient solution for bathing. It's a reliable aid for maintaining independence. What we like? This model features a lightweight yet sturdy aluminum body, making it easy to maneuver. It's tool-free, allowing for quick and easy setup. If you need a sliding shower chair to assist with transfers, this is an excellent option. What people say. This product solved multiple problems. I used it in a standard-size bathtub shower that has a curtain. I put the handle side of the bench outside of the tub. That helps me easily sit and stand on my own. I can also drape my towel over that handle. The sliding over feature helps me easily get into the shower without having to jump on one leg dangerously over barriers. The chair has 2 spots to hold my shower head, which is really helpful so that I don't have to put it on the floor while lathering my shampoo into my hair. Has a removable seat section to wash all sorts of nooks and crannies. Number 3. Medokare Premium Shower Chair. Introducing a shower chair designed with safety and comfort in mind. It features non-slip feet and a backrest for stability, ensuring a secure showering experience for everyone. Take your time and relax. This chair boasts a padded seat and convenient handles for added comfort during longer showers. It even includes a caddy to keep your essentials within reach. It's lightweight and easy to adjust to your perfect height. With 6 different height settings, it comfortably fits most users and easily adapts to various shower and tub sizes. No tools are needed. Simple assembly with easy grip screws and clear instructions means you can have it set up in minutes. It's ready to support up to 350 pounds. This shower chair is perfect for seniors, people with disabilities, or anyone who wants a safer and more comfortable showering experience. We're confident it will enhance your daily routine. Our support team is ready to answer any questions you may have. Contact us for assistance with your new shower chair and enjoy a worry-free showering experience. What we like. It boasts a padded seat and backrest for enhanced comfort during showers. The chair is lightweight and easily adjustable, making it convenient to use. If you prioritize comfort and adjustability in a shower chair, this is a great choice. What people say. This chair is perfect, fits in the shower, lightweight, easy to clean, comfortable, safe, stable, easy to assemble, no tools needed. Has adjustable legs to person high. The chair has good traction with the floor of the shower. It has arms which are helpful in getting up. This shower chair is well built and fits nicely in my shower. I have mobility issues with my legs and this chair enables me to safely take a shower and not worry about falling. Number 2. Platinum Health Gateway Premium Bath Bench. This innovative bath bench offers a safe and comfortable way to transfer in and out of the shower or tub. Its thoughtful design prioritizes ease of use and safety for all. It slides and pivots effortlessly, making transfer smooth and secure. No more struggling or worrying about falls. Enjoy the comfort of a padded seat and backrest. It's warm, slip-resistant, and easy to clean, unlike older, hard plastic models. The swivel seat is not only safer and more comfortable but also saves valuable bathroom space. It's a win-win for everyone. The padded assist handle makes getting on and off a breeze. Plus, you can adjust the height for a perfect fit. It features a simple one-touch sliding operation, unlike more complicated models. The high-contrast blue color enhances visibility for users with impaired vision. It's incredibly easy to assemble. You can have it ready to use in just minutes. No tools are required. Need a little extra length or height? Extension kits are available to customize it to your specific needs. What we like. This chair offers a padded seat and backrest for comfort and a swivel seat for easier access. The sliding mechanism ensures smooth and safe transfers. If you value comfort, ease of use, and safety features, this is the ideal option. What people say. Assembly is straightforward and simple and the assembled unit is lightweight and easy to move and position in the tub. The leg height is adjustable to get the right height for the edge of the tub and the rubber feet are adjustable to fit the slope of the bottom edge of the bathtub perfectly to keep it stable and prevent slipping. The bench is sturdy, and the controls for pivoting sliding are pretty straightforward once you got used to them. The foam seat is firm but has a little give so comfortable. The build quality is great, nice fit and function, smooth rotation, smooth easy side action. The control latches are easy to operate and in the right place for her needs. Number 1. Eagle Health Sliding Shower Chair. This sliding shower chair helps prevent falls by making it easier to get in and out of the shower. Its smooth sliding mechanism and secure locking system provide a stable and safe transfer. Setting up this shower chair is quick and easy. It takes less than 5 minutes and requires no tools. It's also reversible, fitting any bathroom layout. Built with a durable, rust-resistant frame, it supports up to 400 pounds. The anti-slip seat, backrest, and safety belt provide secure seating. This shower chair swivels 360 degrees, allowing for easy access from any angle. The 90-degree locking intervals add to its safety and convenience. It features adjustable height legs to accommodate various shower heights. Make sure to measure your shower before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. The chair's dimensions are 40W x 20.5D x 36.75H, with an adjustable seat height and a 400-pound weight capacity. Please check the detailed specifications to ensure it fits your needs. What we like. It features a 360-degree swivel seat for easy access and a stable base for secure seating. The tool-free assembly makes setup a breeze. If you are looking for a convenient and safe shower chair with a swivel function, this is perfect for you. What people say. Worked perfectly for my mom. It is helping her get in and out of the tub shower by herself. Works really well and easy to assemble. Assembly was easy. Good materials, packaged well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.